Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Greetings, my name is Pabalelo, the director of Badimo Thuo, a mixed farming business. We are based at S2E45 village, Mahikeng. We started operating at 2022, but informally we have been operating since 2018. My business is organic farming business. We are producing organic, using it to produce for our native people. We care much about the health diet of our people. Healthcare is our conscious ideal. What I sell is akamanzi, carwash, nansi. This is the native pumpkin, amaphuzi. This is eaten, is used for diabetic people and for high blood people. I have moringa powder. This is moringa powder. Also, people who have high blood and diabetes, you can even check by your doctor if he recommends for one to consume. These are the calabash also. It's akamanzi. For those people who drink traditional beers when they have the native ceremonies. Yes. People must buy my products because these are the natives of what our people used to eat, and it was very vital and good for their health system. So when you buy, you are not just buying it, you are also boosting your immune system. You are making an ecosystem that is very vital and healthy towards your health. You can get in touch with me on WhatsApp number 067 945 1302. I have a Facebook page at Badimo Thuo Pty Ltd. I also have a personal account at Twitter at Meremotlokwa. And TikTok, we also have a page there at Babimere. I'm Babimere and I am a township entrepreneur.